Hello friends, welcome to Ecet Maths video classes. In the last episodes we have finished application of derivatives, two topics, tangent normals and maxima and minima. Now we have straight lines chapter. This is of weightage 1 to 2 marks. Okay, there is no negative marks. And briefly we will discuss all the points which are very simple points. After that we will see the sample problems on these. Okay, now the x-axis equation y is equal to 0, y-axis equation x is equal to 0. Next, point of intersection of x and y axis is 0, 0. This is called origin. Okay. Next, any line parallel to x axis, line parallel to x axis is y is equal to k. Next, line parallel to y axis is x is equal to k. So x is equal to k, line parallel to y axis, parallel to x axis is y is equal to k. K is what it is. See here, this is line parallel to x axis, above x axis. Suppose if the distance is k, then its equation is y is equal to k, because this is y is equal to 0 and this is y is equal to k. Next, another, this is parallel to y-axis, distance I am calling as k, therefore this is x is equal to k, because this is x is equal to 0 and this is x is equal to k. Next, there are some equations below x-axis, then its equation is y is equal to minus k. If this is a line which is the distance is k and below the x-axis y is equal to minus k, and here left to y-axis this is also x is equal to minus k, this line, this is x is equal to 0, right side x is equal to k. So lines parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, and x-axis y-axis equation. Next, point of intersection of two axes. Next, y is equal to mx is a line passes through origin and slope m. So here is a line which is passing through the origin and it is having slope m, therefore y is equal to mx. Next, if theta is known, we can find the slope of the line. Slope of the line which makes an angle theta with positive x-axis is tan theta. This is called m. M is equal to tan theta. When theta is known, you can find tan theta, that is called slope of the line, right? That is called m. Next, y is equal to mx plus c. This is called slope intercept form. Here m is slope, c is y-intercept, where c is equal to y-intercept, m is slope. So slope intercept form means simply y is equal to mx plus c. Next, slope m, x-intercept is k, then the line equation is y is equal to m into x minus k. This is the equation of the line whose slope m and x-intercept k. Here is y-intercept. Remember, these are the standard forms. Observe the friends. For this Ecet entrance, no need to prepare any shortcuts, no need to refer all those shortcuts. Simply simple concepts and simple problems. So out of 50 marks you can cover 40 marks. Only difficulty level is only 10 marks. So remaining all, simply prepare these synopses, just 5 to 10 synopses for each chapter, and then 10 to 15 problems. If you work out the same similar problems extra, that is benefit to you. And the model papers, if you refer the previous model papers, that also all the model papers covered the maximum points that I am giving here. Okay, no need to refer any shortcuts, anything. Simply don't bother, refer only main key points and then work out problems based on these points. Okay, now this is slope intercept form. Next, slope x intercept form. Next one is point slope form. Point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That means m is the slope of the line and it is passing through the point x1 y1. Therefore y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is the line equation. Next, complete intercept form. Intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Like this, this is a and this is b. X intercept is a and y intercept is b. Therefore intercept form equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is point slope form. Okay, passing through x1 y1 and having slope m. This is the line equation. Next, equation of line in 2-point form. That means a line is passing through x1 y1 and x2 y2. We are writing the line equation. Y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. This is the line equation in 2-point form. So slope intercept form, slope x intercept, next point slope form, complete intercept form, next line equation in 2-point form. Next, when two lines are parallel whose slopes are equal. Now the general form equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is general form equation of a straight line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now its slope is equal to minus a by b. Simply you convert into y is equal to mx plus c, then x coefficient is the slope of the line, that x coefficient is minus a by b. This is general form equation of a straight line. 2-point form, next general form. Next, a line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. A line parallel to general form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Both the equations differ in constant only, then the lines are parallel. Next, a line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus some k is equal to 0. bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Here y coefficient is x coefficient and x coefficient is minus y coefficient, differ in constant. This is general form, line perpendicular and line parallel. Next, if two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, I am showing the coefficients are different. So, these two lines are, both the lines are perpendicular, implies condition is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. So, this is the condition for perpendicularity of the two lines. Next, two lines are parallel means whose slopes are equal. Minus a1 by b1 is equal to minus a2 by b2. Minus cancel, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So, that is the condition for parallelism. Now, condition for parallel is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This is the condition for parallelism. Next one, theta. If theta be the angle between them, then the cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by under root a1 square plus b1 square into root a2 square plus b2 square. So, if you find cos theta, to find out sin theta, we apply triangle formula. And if cos theta sin theta is known, you can find tan theta. Otherwise, you can find the slopes of two lines m1 and m2. Then you can directly apply tan theta formula. That is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 m2 are the slopes of two lines. Okay. Now, angle between two lines. Next, condition for parallelism. Next, condition for perpendicularity. Next, when these two lines are different, what is the point of intersection of the two lines? Now, the point of intersection of two lines, 1 and 2, I call it as 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2 is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? So, this is the point of intersection of two lines. If you remember the formula, directly you can substitute the values. Otherwise, I'll show in problems not applying direct formula. Just I'll show the method to find out the point of intersection. Okay, angle between two lines, slopes, different forms, and all these completed. Next one, the perpendicular distance from px1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. That means here is a point, here is a line, I drop a perpendicular, the distance from P to line, this is what the perpendicular distance. If the point is origin, now distance from origin to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is mod c by root a square plus b square. Since x1 y1 is 0 0, both the terms cancel zeros, then mod c by root of a square plus b square, this is the perpendicular distance. Next, We'll conclude with the last point. The distance between the parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is mod c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. This is the distance between two parallel lines. I told you the parallel lines differ in constant. Simply to find out the distance between these two, take modulus of c1 minus c2 by root a square plus b square. This is the distance between parallel lines. Now I conclude all the key points and main points. Simply x-axis, y-axis, next parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, slope intercept form, point to slope form, intercept form, 2-point form, next parallel line, perpendicular line, next distance between parallel lines, angle between two lines. All these points are discussed. Simply you prepare all these points, just read once and then go to problems. Now we'll go to problems. The first problems, equation of the line parallel to x-axis and at a distance of 5 units below x-axis. Is asking line parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis, and below x-axis means it is negative side. So the distance is 5 units. Okay, this is y is equal to 0 and this is y is equal to k. This is y is equal to k. This is y is equal to minus k. So whenever it is below, y is equal to minus 5 because k is equal to 5. Therefore y plus 5 is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 5. Next, equation of the line with slope 4 and y-intercept 3. Slope means m is equal to 4. Y-intercept means the symbol is c is equal to 3. Then line is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to 4x plus 3. This is the line. Okay. Now the next problem. Line passes through minus 1 comma 2 with slope 2 by 3, passing through the point x1 y1. x1 y1 is minus 1 comma 2 and the slope m is equal to 2 by 3. Then y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 1, x minus. So cross multiply, 3y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 2. So 2x minus 3y plus 2 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 0. This is your third problem. Next, the fourth one is equation of line passes through 3 to 6 minus 3. Simply you take it as x1 y1 x2 y2, 2-point form. Y minus y1 by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. So y minus 2 by 2 plus 3 y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 by x1 minus x2. Y minus 2 by 5 x minus 3 by minus 3. Cross multiply, minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 5x minus 15. So 5x plus 3y minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the line equation. Next, fifth problem. The equation of the line which cuts off equal intercepts, on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. You know, the intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Cuts of equal intercepts, both are same. You take same symbol, that is x by a plus y by a is equal to 1 or x plus y is equal to a. Our aim is to find out a value, but this is passing through the point 2, 3. So this passes through 2, 3. That implies 2 plus 3 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 5. What is your line equation? It is x plus y is equal to 5 or x by 5 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. This is intercept form, okay, forming equal intercepts. Next, the sixth problem. Point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So do not remember this formula, just simply write y coefficients first, 3 and minus 2 in these two. Next constants, next x coefficients, next same y coefficients as you mentioned in the first column. Okay. Then the point of intersection is AD minus BC. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Minus into minus plus only 2 4 is 8 divided by, take the last 2 by 2 det, minus 4 minus 9 this is. Next take this minus 12, minus of minus becomes a plus, 2 to the 4, by same denominator minus 4 minus 9. This is minus 14 by minus 13. This is minus 8 by minus 13. Minus cancel. 14 by 13, 8 by 13. If you take A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, applying the formula, if you remember one symbol, then you get so much of difficulty. Therefore, simply arrange the coefficients in this form and then find out the point of intersection of the two lines. Okay. Next, in the next problem, he is asking the angle between the lines. The next problem. The angle between the lines y minus root 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, comma minus x plus root 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. I told you cos theta formula, even tan theta formula is also there. For that, find out the slope of first line, slope of second line, m1 and m2. Or directly I will be applying cos theta formula is equal to, first line x coefficient is a1, its x coefficient is a2, here is minus 1, so this is a2. a1 a2 means minus root 3 into minus 1, a1 a2 plus b1 b2, y coefficient is b, here y coefficient is b1 b2, right, plus 1 into root 3, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square, so minus root 3 whole square plus 1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square, this is minus 1 whole square plus root 3 whole square. So cos theta is equal to root 3 plus root 3, this is 2 root 3, 3 this is plus 1, 4 means 2, 3 plus 1 4, root 4 is 2, 1 2 cancel, root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means theta is equal to 30 degrees, right? Root 3 by 2 cos, you get the root 3 by 2 at 30 degrees. Therefore, this is the angle between two lines. Next, in the next problem, it is the perpendicular distance from 2, 3 to the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Perpendicular distance from the point x1 y1 to line is mod ax1. I'll write once ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. This is x1 y1, okay, mod a x1 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 under root of a square plus b square. A square plus b square is 2 square plus 3 square. 4, 9, 13, 5, 18. 18 by under root of 4 plus 9, 13. This is the perpendicular distance from the point to line. Okay. Now the next problem. The equation of the line passes through the point and parallel to the line. This 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. In formulas we have discussed, line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Now, let the line is 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. I told you these two lines are differ in constant only, okay, 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. But this is passing through the point minus 2 minus 3. So substitute x is equal to minus 2 minus y place it is minus 3 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. So k plus 5 is equal to 0 implies k is equal to minus 5. Your required line is 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is the line passing through minus 2 minus 3 and parallel to the given line. Okay, this is parallel. Next is asking in the next problem, the line passes through the point 1, 5 and perpendicular to the given line. Perpendicular to the given line formula is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Right? B means y coefficient minus 5 into x minus a is 2 y plus k is equal to 0. Now this is passing through the point 1, 5. Therefore, substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 plus k is equal to 0. We will find k. Minus 5 minus 10 minus 15 will be going that side plus 15. K is equal to 15. Therefore, required line is minus 5x minus 2y, k is equal to plus 15 is equal to 0. This seems to be just first term is having minus. I'll remove this minus by multiplying with minus. 5x plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the required line which is perpendicular to the given line and passing through some point. Okay. The next problem. Next, the 11th problem, find k if 2x plus 3ky is minus 13 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel. If both the lines are parallel, then decide k value. Now, two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal. Now, slope of 1, this is 1 and this is 2, is equal to minus a by b. Next, slope of 2, second line, minus a by b. Both are equal. Parallel implies slopes equal, equating the slopes. Minus 2 by 3k is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cross multiply 4 is equal to 3k. So 3k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 3. Parallel, then unknown value k is this. Okay. Now, the last one. The intercepts made by the line 3x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 on the coordinate axis. You know, intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Convert the given line in the form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. 3x plus 5y is equal to 1. So I can write this as x by 1 by 3. 3 will come up, it is 3x. So y by 1 by 5 is equal to 1. X intercept is equal to 1 by 3. Y intercept is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. X intercept, Y intercept. So thank you for watching this chapter completed.